Hello everybody, how are you doing today? Got my Festive Buddy CIC top on today. That is the hat that I'm wearing, the Buddy's hat today, hopefully. So welcome to day 15 of Blogmas, and what's in the advent calendar? Let's have a look. Ooh. It's a receipt. What's a receipt doing in there? I do not know. Aha, that's why. Look where I've been. Okay, it's backwards. So ManCap, which are a charity that work with people with learning disabilities. There's a massive charity shop near here, and I've always been meaning to go in, and today, because we need some more Christmas cards, I thought, ooh, purchase some from there, why not? Maybe you'll get to see the Christmas cards as well in a bit, but I also got a bit of a haul. It's really bad. Anyway, let me just put it on the stand. B&M Home Bargains. Yes, and here I am. I'm trying a new place. It's called ManCap. They're a charity. I think they work with disabled people that have additional support requirements. And I've always wanted to go in, so I might be brave and ask whether I can film in there. Probably should ask that question, shouldn't I, rather than just going in there and starting blogging. So yeah, join me. Which one? Maybe that one, or maybe I just keep both of them and read them. Okay, and the other thing I did today, I needed to go and get some gift bags, but also I came across this. I'm a keen crafter at the moment, and I really like this. I got them in B&M Bargains, and it's trim Aran, 200 grams. I thought, why not? Didn't know they did wool. And this one, oh my gosh, it's like baby sparkly knitting yarn, and it's sparkly, so like a grey and a white. I thought I could do a little hat maybe for somebody. It's so nice and soft as well. And I'm in a storage box because I was thinking it might go on here. I'm going to sort out the shelving behind me as well. It's a disgrace. Then I got, what's we got in here? We've got cards, hang on a minute, I can't show you that one. Got some cards, very cute cards. I got different sizes of gift bags, just because we need some, so, and you can reuse them again as well, so I like it. So nice. Some more here. I can't show you those. Hang on. A minute. There you go. Very exciting life, do these? Right. And oh, of course, the obligatory. Put those in the advent calendar before a young person gets home. I don't need to see those either. Okay, so that is what learning a bit about what I like to do in my spare time, crafting and charity shops. So thank you for joining me, and hopefully later on in Blogmas I'll be able to go back and film in there. They had to make sure that I could film, so yeah, you'll probably see that at some point at a later date. Speak to you soon. Take care. See you later. Bye. Hello, you join me while I have a snack, but also I'm going to be making and taking today, so I'll just pop you on that screen. I'll leave that in a minute once I've done it. I'm going to be eating and making at the same time, not a good combination. Got my little tins. There we go. And right, so we're doing 2 creams for a local lady who ordered them. Okay, so this is really nice. It's really nice thick cream. Pop it in here. And then I think I might hop on a cup of coffee and chat with some more self-employed people online. And I'll pop the link comments below in case you're watching this and you'd like to join us on a Monday at 10 o'clock with the lovely Sarah who hosts it. Okay, professionally done, isn't it? This one. So it's a bit boring watching me do this. I have to get the right blend. I've got such a combination of blends in my box. Oh my gosh. Get the right one. Which one's a patchouli? Lavender and geranium, I think. Was it bergamot? Just double check. Here we go. Hello everybody, hiya. Sorry, a bit of an odd. Yeah, we'll go with it. So I'm putting in free spirit, patchouli, bergamot and lavender for the lovely lady who's ordered them. So I've just popped that in. I'm going to shake the magic as well. Sorry. This can't work. Can't work with cables everywhere. It's very annoying. Sorry, hang on a minute. And I've got orange. Alright, so can you? That's better, I think. Right. Okay. I'm going to make up the little boxes as well. And then I'm going to put a little sticker on those. Those nice little Christmassy boxes. Very easy to make up. Oh, I'm just going to have a sip of my tea. Let's pop it there for a minute. I know it's right in the way, but bear with. Reason behind my madness. In fact, oh look, it's got my logo on it. And this one's the Buddies logo, so the heart kind of heart-centered. There you go. Right, I'll pop that. There's a little gift wrapping in there. And I'll pop in tea pigs, licorice and peppermint. So nice. I think I might have to try one actually. Sort me out this morning. A bit of a headache this morning. I think it's the weather. I tend to get more tension headaches when it's pressure changes. So there's one. And we'll make this other up. So yeah, I hope you've been enjoying these little random little Blogmas episodes that I've been doing. I've been enjoying making them. Please let me know if there will be any other kind of ideas that might be of interest to you. I think I may do fairly soon a little question and answer session. So if you've got any questions about what I offer, questions about interests I have, anything like that, I'd be happy to answer them in a little question and answer session. I hope to carry on these little random little YouTube video episodes. I'm thinking maybe what I'll do is I'll do a weekly one from New Year, so maybe aim to kind of bring the video out on say like a Wednesday, for example, or a Friday. Something I've not chosen the day yet. I'm going to look at my insights and see what days are best to post. So yes, I've got my array of oils here. Oh my gosh, I had to sort out on another episode. I don't know how to link the episode. I will work that out. But do please, if one appears, hopefully one or two will appear at the end of this video. So please go ahead and click on there and see if you like what you are learning about as well. That'd be amazing. If you haven't already done so, if you have been enjoying the content, please like and subscribe to the channel, and then just hit the notification bell symbol, and that'll help you get notified when I either go live, upload they call it a short, so a bit like a reel, or a post or a video. So yeah, thank you very much for joining me. I will put these together. I'm just going to grab the stickers. Bear with me 2 minutes, hang on. Right, I'm just going to delve through my stickers. There's another small business owner there as well. So hopefully I'll pop her link in there. Another Sarah, it's all good. And I've got a little safety sticker that I put on, but there'll also be a little discount code on there that they can use in January, well, between January and February. So yeah, it's all cool, it's all cool. Right, I'll take those. Remember my, that's got one already, in there. Okay, so there it is. Okay, I think I might have missed my copper and chat. I'm chatting too much to you guys, sorry. Right, body lotion, and it's going to have lavender, I forgot what's in it, lavender, patchouli, bergamot, patchouli. It smells really nice. Definitely wakes you up on a Monday morning. So 100 grams, 100 grams used by 0426. 26. I love this because I get to write. It's so crazy, isn't it, that we're always so like either typing or we're typing or we're texting like this. It's so nice to use paper and pen, it has to be said. So it's Festive 2025. Sorry, I'm telling you the discount code now. There we go. I suppose we could have a little bit of a game, couldn't we? They're not quite a competition, but let's see who can share this video or share any of the Blogmas videos with a friend or a family member, and in January I will add those that have been sharing and tagging and things like that, or even joining in with the community aspect to the YouTube channel that we've got on here, where I post about what I've been up to, what's coming up, any new products, services out there in the local area but also online. So yeah, you'll be able to win a little product from me. There you go, how about that for an idea? Okay, so we've done our, make it interesting, why not? Right, we need some more bigger, slightly bigger stickers, but that's okay. They do the job, these ones. I'm looking at changing my packaging in the new year. It's all coming out today, isn't it? All these ideas that I've got. Really been enjoying the Christmas orders. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to carry that on into the new year. I'm going to be open for the Valentine's gifts. What else? Birthdays, baby showers, anything like that. I'm your girl. Okay, I'll speak to you soon. Thank you for joining me. Bye.